Ever sent a video to a client and waited and then got a lukewarm response like, looks good, but, or maybe worse, they ask for endless revisions and suddenly you feel like you're working for free? Well, here's the truth. Making great videos isn't enough if you don't guide the client experience. Even a well-shot, well-edited video can leave them underwhelmed. But what if you could hand over a project knowing your client will love it? What if they're so impressed they immediately want to hire you again and pay you more? That's exactly what we're fixing today. I'm giving you my 5-point checklist to make sure your clients love your work every time. Before we dive in, if you're ready to start landing better clients, charging more, hit that like button, subscribe. Every week I show video creators like you how to elevate their work and grow their income. Okay, let's talk about why clients don't always love your work. Most video creators think great visuals are enough. But here's what you need to understand. Clients don't just care about how a video looks, they care about how it makes them feel, how easy the process is, and whether it actually meets their goals. If you don't set the right expectations, communicate clearly, and guide the client experience, even the most cinematic video can leave them underwhelmed. That's why I created this 5-point client success checklist, so you can stop guessing and start delivering work that gets instant approval and repeat business. Okay, let's break it down. Here's your 5-step system to making clients love your work every single time. Number 1, set clear expectations from day one. Before you shoot a single frame, define what success looks like. Make sure the client knows what they're getting, so there are no surprises later. Align on goals, deliverables, and revision policies up front. Number 2, keep clients involved, but not over-involved. Clients want updates, but they don't need to approve every single cut. Keep them informed without letting them micromanage. Check-ins at key milestones prevent last-minute panic changes. Number 3, deliver with strategy, not just style. Instead of just making it cool, explain why your edits, pacing, and storytelling choices support their business goals. When clients understand the why, they trust you more and push back less. Number 4, show the transformation. If you're making a marketing video, show the before and after impact. If it's a brand film, highlight the emotional journey. Make sure clients see how your work creates results. Number 5, end with a clear call to action. What's next? Should they launch it, share it, book you again? Guide them to the next step, whether it's publishing, promoting, or rehiring you. When you apply these 5 steps, clients won't just like your work, they'll trust you. And trust is what gets you repeat business, referrals, and premium rates. So where do you start? Simple. Start treating your process like a system, not a guessing game. When you take control of the experience, your clients will stop nitpicking and start seeing you as an expert. So here are 3 resources that can help you get where you need to go creatively. Number 1, get started for free with my workshop. This free workshop walks you through my story mapping system, which helps you build structured, unscripted videos that clients instantly connect with. All you have to do is click on the link below and you can start watching it right now. Number 2, go deeper with my master course. If you're ready to elevate your process and make videos that get clients to say yes faster, my Start with Story, End with Wow course gives you the full roadmap. Number 3, fast track your success with one-on-one coaching. Want personalized coaching to fine-tune your storytelling, pricing, and your client strategy? My one-on-one coaching is the fast pass to success. Let's refine your process so you can start booking better clients at higher rates. Click on the link below to choose the path that fits you best. No matter what, it's time to start making videos that clients love and that get you paid what you're worth. Ready for the takeaway? The most successful video creators don't just deliver a final product, they deliver an experience. Clients remember how you made the process feel, not just how the video looked. When you take control of that experience, you stop being just another videographer and start being the creative they trust, recommend, and rehire. Drop a comment below. What's one thing you're changing in how you work with clients? Let's talk. And don't forget, watch the free workshop, explore the course, book a coaching session. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.